Welcome to South Asia Maps Intellectual Kshatriya channel. This is your presenter REddy from your educational channel. Today we are going to discuss about the fascinating Bengal presidency. Its 11 divisions and 61 districts. This is the overall introduction 01. In the next series of presentations, I will talk about the Bengal presidency, its political divisions, that is 11, and districts 61. Excuse me for my allergies. Here the Bengal presidency, historic Bengal presidency covered a vast region touching Sindh division of Bombay presidency here and the entire Punjab, British Punjab region, and this is the British Punjab region, not to western provinces of Agra and Awadh, that is United Provinces UP and Bihar region and Arunachal, Jharkhand, ChottaNagpur regions and Bengali speaking areas and Brahmaputra Valley and mountainous areas and Kalinga region, Orissa, and also Lower Burma and Upper Burma. Here I have not shown, it also consisted of straits settlements, that is Singapore, Penang, those regions. That is about the fascinating Bengal presidency. Excuse me. Why you need to know about the Bengal presidency? Because the Bengal presidency first played a very important role in Islamic imperialism, then Portuguese Catholic imperialism, that is Christian imperialism, and British imperialism. All imperialist outposts existed along Hooghly-Bhagirathi river here. That is the tributary of Ganga river. And their descendant ideology, Maithaliism, that played a very important role in emasculation of Hindu culture and civilization of modern India, partition of India. All India Muslim League was started in Daka and spearheading the Pakistan separatism movement. The resolution of Pakistan was moved by Fazlul Haq, the premier at the time chief minister of Bengal, and now Kali riots and Calcutta riots played a very, very important role in the partition of India. So knowing the Bengal presidency is very, very important. Here I have listed all the 11 divisions of the Bengal presidency. Presidency division, Bardwan division, Daka division, Chittagong division, Rajasahi division. The green ones here, these are the Bengali speaking divisions. Presidency division here, Bardwan division here, Rajasahi or Rangapur division here. This is the Daka division, this is the Chittagong division, 5 divisions. Next, east of it there are 2 divisions. Assam division here, that is the Brahmaputra Valley division, and mountainous Sumra Valley division, that is the Barak division here. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Then we have 3 divisions in Bihar and Arunachal, Jharkhand region, ChottaNagpur. Patna division here, BhagalPur division here. Then we have southern ChottaNagpur division. So we have 7 here, 3 here, 10. The last 11th division is Utkal division or Cuttack division or Orissa division. These are the 11 divisions of Bengal presidency, and you should keep in mind when we further discuss about the fascinating events that happened in that particular region. Bengal presidency, this I am showing the Bengal presidency here. Again, you can see this is the historical Bengal presidency princely states of Manipur, Tripura and Khasi Hills and Coach Bihar and Kingdom of Sikkim and Bhutan here, the northeastern regions, Balipara and Sadia, the northeast frontier province. State settlements will be somewhere here. This is Upper Burma and Lower Burma, latter detached. So the Bengal Presidency historically consists of Bihar, United Provinces at one time, and because it has a British Punjab region, and that means it touched the Sikkar and Larkana divisions of Sindh at one time, because it has the Ghazi Khan and Muzaffargarh and Multan under its administrative control bordering Bahawalpur. That is the fascinating Bengal Presidency. You can see the Bengal Presidency again here at its peak in 1858, that is few months after the first Sepoy mutiny broke, and it survived in its largest extent round about 10 years or so, and as it starts accumulation. So you can see here the Punjabi speaking British Punjab region and Rajputana region, United Provinces and Bengal, East Bengal and West Bengal, and Assam and Brahmaputra, the Lower Burma and Upper Burma, the straight settlements, that is very important, that is the Singapore, Penang and all those, they were administered from Bengal Presidency, that is also called Fort William Presidency. Even the British has the Bengal Presidency, Madras Presidency and Bombay Presidency. The governor of Bengal Presidency was the in charge of the rest of the presidencies. Later his position is elevated as Governor General. This is again the historic Bengal Presidency and all the 11 divisions of the Bengal Presidency. We can see here the Patna division, BhagalPur division, ChottaNagpur division, Presidency division, Bardwan division, Rajasahi division, Daka division, Chittagong division, and this is Assam Valley division, this is Sumra Valley and mountainous regions. And thank you very much joining me today at South Asia Maps, and if you would like to enjoy similar videos, you can go to South Asia Maps REddy and explore further the fascinating South Asian regions, and we'll continue our sojourn regarding the Bengal Presidency, 11 divisions, 61 districts. Please look in that particular playlist. Thank you very much and Dhanyavad.